Welcome to Teaching Moments. My name is Hillary. Christmas is just around the corner, so I thought it would be a good time for me to share the last of the Christmas gifts that we've made for each other. I've been doing a series of other videos on other Christmas projects we've made, but the last of these didn't really fit into any of the other categories, but they're too good not to show you. So I thought I'd do it today. The first one I'm going to show you is for my son. He's a big Hot Wheels fan, so his sister made him this t-shirt. Says Hot Wheels on it. The part that says Hot Wheels she did with fabric marker, and then the city and the little orange Hot Wheels track is felt that she cut out, and then she hot glued it on here. I was encouraging her to sew it on there, but she decided to hot glue it, and it has lasted for a year going through the wash, and it seems to have been just fine. It's still intact, so you can hot glue it if you want to. The next t-shirt I'm going to show you was made for my husband by my Hot Wheel boy. And the front of it, if you can see it, says Hot Wheelin' Dad. I don't know if you can see the part that says Dad. It looks like a little road on it. And then he showed how the track he wanted it to be. On the back it looks like a track. Here's the start and finish line, and there's 2 lanes that little cars can race. The idea is to have my husband wear this, and then he lays on his stomach and you race the cars on his back, and it's supposed to feel like massaging like. Going along with the theme for my husband, my other son made him a coffee mug that says, "You are my father," and he drew a picture of Darth Vader on the front. So that was fun. My husband actually hasn't used this much though, because he just used regular marker, and as you can see it's starting to come off. I wasn't sure what to use to make that stay. So if somebody out there has a better idea, you can comment below. I would actually like to know too, because I even asked some of the people in the craft area and they didn't know what to use either. So if you have an idea, I would love to hear it. I made my husband this candy jar, and it says Dad's Stash on there, with a little mustache. And I just made this label out of scrapbook paper and some scrapbook stickers. And then, of course, this jar is just an old pickle jar. So he uses this a lot, and it looks like it needs a refill. Then for my daughter, actually we made a lot of these. There's a snow globe. We've done lots of different themes. My daughter loves the ocean, and so this is an ocean theme. And if you can see there's a turtle in there with some seashells, and we glued here, you can see it. We glued some leaves back here to make it look a little more realistic, like the bottom of the ocean. And we just put some blue glitter in it. It's very pretty. And we have, like I said, we have a lot of different snow globe ideas. If you are going to do a snow globe for Christmas, I highly suggest you get those sooner rather than later, because craft stores sell out of those really quick, the snow globes. We've made that mistake several years in a row, that we were going to do a snow globe and we didn't get them, and we go back 2 weeks later and they're all gone. We can't find them anywhere. So if you want to do snow globes, I highly suggest you pick them up as soon as you see them. The last thing I wanted to show you is a picture frame for the same daughter that loves the ocean. My youngest daughter made this for her sister, and it's really pretty. She just took any old frame and she painted it white, and then she glued seashells around there with a hot glue gun, and it looks really nice in her ocean room. Last suggestion I wanted to make is my kids have also made for my husband a book. They have their own words on the bottom, and then I left like over half of the top portion of the page, and they colored pictures on there for him. And that's such a memorable thing that we can keep that and remember when our kids were that age, and sometimes they misspell the words or the pictures are really cute, you know. So that's a good thing to make. And I've also made a nativity book, like the story of baby Jesus being born, and I used my kids as like the wise men and the shepherds and the angel, and this was actually when one of my kids was a baby, so I used that child as baby Jesus. It was really fun, and it's been one of the best memories that my husband has of Christmas, one of our making Christmas gifts. So There's some ideas for you. I hope that you really enjoyed this series. We love crafting stuff. We love making stuff, and I just wanted to help you guys out. There's plenty more things that we do make, and if you guys like these, let me know, and we'll make more of them. We'll also try to link some on Mason's Innovations. I said that last video, and we still haven't got to it. We will. I promise you we will get to that. So we'll try to link some more of these videos up there and give you some more ideas on things. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season with your family and your friends. Thank you for watching.